Hi, this is John with RailDriver, subsidiary of PI Engineering. We're going to go through how to install the RailDriver driver with Trainz A New Era and Trainz Simulator 2019. All right, to start, we're going to do TANE first. Go to our website, raildriver.com/support/tane.php. Go ahead and download this right here, this installation package. I've already done so. And then when you go to download it to a folder I created, TANE install here. You can name it whatever you want. I usually put it on the desktop so it's easy to find. And then once it's downloaded, the calibration will start. So go ahead and calibrate your unit. Save time, I've already calibrated before the making of this video. Once finished calibrating, it'll create a modern.rdm file, which we can find. You go to your folder, controllers, here it is here, modern.rdm. Go ahead and copy that. And then you will bring it to your TANE install. So it will be, usually if it's on the C drive, it'll go to Program Files, N3V Games, Trainz A New Era, Resources, Trainz HID, and then go ahead and copy that into here. So go ahead and replace the one that's already in there. And that's it. And now we're going to make sure it works. We'll go ahead and launch TANE. Make sure you do have the SP3, otherwise it will not work. Also, before you start the game, make sure you go to Trainz Settings and make sure you check Enable Game Controller Support, otherwise it will not work. All right, let's go test it out real quick. All right, we got a level loaded up here. We're going to test out the RailDriver. Before we start, make sure you are in realistic mode here, otherwise RailDriver will not work. And let's give it a try. It's working. All right, let's release our brakes. And what's our speed? 40. Open it up. And that's it. And the setup is the same for Trainz 2019. I might do a separate video on that, but instead of putting it in the TANE folder, you put it in the Trainz 2019 folder. And that is it. If you have any more questions, you can always email me, tech@piengineering.com. Ask for John. He's the local company rail fan.